Welcome, and thank you for joining me for the making of a birthday card for someone who loves to play pool. It's simple to make and a fun way to personalize for the year of your pool player's birthday. I think it's especially nice if your pool player's birthday has an 8 in the year, like my special person's birthday is 28 years. It could be 80 years or 18 years. Although I don't play pool, I understand that the eighth ball is the last one in and is often determining as to whether someone wins the game. And also, it can be a symbol of luck. Each pool ball has a unique look, and the single digits are a single solid color. So I did have to look up what the number 2 looked like, as well as knowing the 8 ball. If you are making this card for a pool player, I would encourage you to make sure that you use the correct color of the ball for the digit, and you can just look that up online. If you're wondering about the little discs that I traced, those are actually discs from the spine of a Happy Planner journal, and you could use a lid or glass or anything that's round to make these. Mine are actually a little smaller than real pool balls, but if you want a little bigger, they could be the same size as the pool ball. That might be kind of cool. Noticed when looking at pool balls on a table, they're not usually directly straight up. They're at all different angles. So I wanted it to show the 28 for the year of the birthday, but I also didn't want it to be straight on. You could do it straight on if you preferred that, but that's why mine are not in the middle. And I was trying to find a way that looked cool. So I did a little bit of adjusting before gluing them down. It felt good to be able to make a unique and individualized, personalized card for this person's birthday. And if you like unique ideas and sort of creative cards and little doodles and drawing and bullet journals, then feel free to subscribe for more content. Also, if you like or share, then it helps to let other people have a chance to see some of these as well. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you, and I hope that you have time to do something fun and share it with someone else. Have a great day. See you next time.